Oh my goodness, we've had a delivery. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
This week we have a really unusual thing, video. You may or may not be able to tell that we are recording this live.
Yeah.
When I say live, I mean as we do it. It's very bizarre, I can tell you. So we are in the fortunate position of having more than 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
I know. And even more shocking is that we're not related to them all, which is, you know, genuinely what I thought we'd have is just people would subscribe because they took pity on us. I mean, it may well be that you will take pity on us, in which case, thank you so much. Please do continue to pity us as much as you possibly can. I'm very happy about that. But I detract. Once you have more than 100 subscribers, and you have a crafting YouTube channel, you can actually contact a company called BBcraft, and they have a YouTube program where you contact them, and in exchange for doing them a couple of videos featuring their products, they will basically give you free stuff. And who doesn't like free stuff? That's what I have to ask you. Stuff. So we found out about this from some other crafty YouTubers.
Yep.
And we thought we'd give it a go. And our delivery has arrived. And I don't remember what we ordered. I probably should have had a little look before we did this, but I've got a vague recollection.
I think there's a couple which I...
Well, should we just open it and see?
I think we should. Let's do it.
Now, I do apologise. There's going to be a bit of crackling.
No, it's ASMR.
ASMR. Go on then.
Right.
No, you have to do it with nails.
Well, like that?
Yeah, you have to have long...
I haven't got long nails.
You have to have super long nails and go like that.
As you can see, I'm not well versed in the ASMR.
As well, I know that you have to have long nails. That's literally it.
Okay.
So I'm a fail on all counts. Anyway, come on. Crack on. Get it open. Oh, that's going to be so noisy.
Ooh, okay.
Well, we have a box.
There is a box. Did you order some cardboard?
I did.
Ooh, okay. Oh.
Ooh, should I get rid of that?
It's actually attached to it.
Okay. Would you like a little...
I'll have a kniff.
A Sharpie?
It's not Sharpie. This is a knife.
I know what that is on the bottom.
Okay, should we do the bottom first?
Yes, let's do that one.
Okay, so...
This was one that I chose.
Oh.
So I have seen loads of channels do this where they do silk screen.
Oh, yeah.
And I thought I'd like to have a go. So
this is a... screen printing.
Screen printing, that's it, not silk. What did I say? Silk screen.
Yeah.
Silk screen. That sounds like a hairspray. Screen, this stuff. Screen printing. But you can do it, it looks really nice on AquaCast. So I thought, yes, I'd like to have a go at that.
Okay. So we've got, what, Phases
of the moon. Yeah.
Okay, and there's some instructions there on how to do it, which is always good when you get stuff like this.
Yeah, but that I think is really, really nice.
That's really cool. So is that...
So you put it onto the product, and then you make your, say an AquaCast tray, and then you put this onto it, and then you put paint on it, and then like...
So which bit is the cut-out bit?
The white bits are the cut-out bits.
Okay, so if I was to put a blue paint on there, it would be the white bits that come out blue.
Well, firstly, why would you be putting any paint at all on it? It's not for you.
Okay, if you were to put some blue paint on this... So it's... it's got quite... Oh.
Yeah. Quite interesting.
Yeah.
I look forward to making something with those. That will be in a video to come.
Do you want the
Yes, please.
instructions?
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Right then. This is like how youth must feel when you're trying to open one of my Christmas presents.
Yes, because you wrap them in an insanely difficult way. Be careful with that knife. You don't want to be chopping anything. Maybe I should have opened it. I'm more experienced in opening difficult packages.
Well, yes.
But you're doing well. The look of concentration on your face right now is second to none. It's a picture. I think I should have took a photograph and that should be our thumbnail.
You know when I'm concentrating because my tongue sticks out.
Your tongue sticks out. It's hilarious.
Right then. So let's put this to one side a sec. So
that's the mushroom house. Oh, lots of noise.
yeah. Well packaged though.
It's really well packaged. I am really impressed by how well it's packaged.
Are they both the same?
I think they are, yeah. Yeah, they are. So this is a mushroom house. Mushroom house? It's not a mushroom house. The mushroom mould. Because we are, as ever, late to the party. Like, everyone seems to have mushroom moulds and we don't. It's a little mushroom pot. So I really look forward to making that one. And there's two, so we can do a challenge.
Mushroom challenge?
Mushroom challenge.
The best thing to do with mushrooms?
Yeah.
Put them in the bin.
No, I'm not putting that in the bin.
I know, not these.
They're mushrooms.
But real mushrooms.
They are really cute.
Yeah, okay.
That is really good. And it's really nice silicone, isn't it?
It doesn't feel like when you fill it up, it's not gonna warp.
No, it does feel like it's a good quality silicone. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
what I'll do is I'll put links in the description to everything that we open, and we'll flash up on screen what each mould cost us, what it would have cost us. Obviously, we didn't pay for them because this is part of a sponsored video.
Yeah. No. Okay.
Yeah,
I look forward to doing the mushroom challenge.
That's really nice. Should I pop it there?
Put it there. I'll put that one over there.
Put the spare one over there. Yeah.
So we don't have.
I like the fact that you get two as well.
Yeah.
I didn't realise you got two. I thought it was just one.
This is a heavy mould.
That looks quite heavy. That looks quite hefty.
That is very. It's got some weight to it.
What's that?
I don't know.
I think that was the one you showed. Again, they're both the same, aren't they?
Oh, I know what this is.
What is it?
It's the sleeping dragon.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
I don't know if you can see that in there, but yeah. So it's basically that way. It's just a dragon curled.
Oh, I can't wait to make that.
You can see the scales in there. That looks. I'm gonna love mica in that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna mica mine.
And
there's two.
So we want again.
Challenge. Dragon challenge. That's really cool. Can I have a little?
You can. Yeah, I feel it. It's really.
Gosh, that's really heavy.
That is heavy. That's some serious silicone in there.
That is really good.
And it's quite solid.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of detail in there as well. That looks really.
Yeah, I look forward to making that for sure. That's going to be really good. You made a good choice there, my love.
I did.
And then.
What do we have here? Oh, this is the.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the going on the same theme as your
As the
screen
yeah.
print things. So this is phases of the moon. If I can actually get it out of the package. So it's just
Phases of the moon.
Full moon, half moon.
Total eclipse.
Total eclipse.
That's not Jaffa cake. You do realise anybody who has never eaten a Jaffa cake or seen the Jaffa cake advert will not get that reference.
Do those people exist?
Yes.
Really?
I think you can only get Jaffa cakes in the United Kingdom. Honestly, I think it's a real English thing. Like,
really?
It's a UK thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you don't get them abroad. Let us know in the comments if you get Jaffa cakes where you live. How random is that?
That is quite random. But
It is quite random, but now I'm intrigued. I want to know, do you get Jaffa cakes abroad?
do you have to import them?
I'm sure that you do, because I'm sure that I saw on there's like an expat site where you can order specifically British food, like Yorkshire tea and Marmite and things like that. And I'm sure that I saw on there that Jaffa cakes was one of them.
Okay.
I'm not joking. Anyway, back to the...
That was a tangent.
Well, it's not like us to go off on a tangent, is it?
No, not at all.
That's really
this
cool.
is...
See, that would be really nice with the hairspray effect in it, wouldn't it?
You could actually use that as well as smiling faces for something else.
You could, yes.
So you could have those as...
Although if someone's got a smile like that, that's a bit creepy, if I'm honest.
you just stick some teeth in there and make it a toothy smile.
That's true. You could. That looks like a beard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we can have a challenge with that as well.
See what you can make.
What random thing that you can make that's
not a phase of the moon.
Yes. I'm sure I can come up with something. Right, what are these?
If I think that I ordered a set of shakers because we've never made shakers.
Yeah.
And I thought with Christmas coming, our delightful little grandchildren would like a little shaker in their stocking.
Yeah.
So
is that what these are?
Yeah. And this is a pack of acetate, I suppose.
Yeah.
Little plastic sheets. And what you do is you cut out your shape, do your thing, and then UV your shape on top.
Okay. So you do that in silicon first, not silicon.
Resin.
Yeah, you do that in resin first, and then that would be the gap that you actually put your
I think
floaty stuff in.
I think how it's done is you put your stuff in there, let it cure, demold it, then
and then when you demold it, it's that bit.
Yeah, and then and then you put your plastic over the top.
Okay.
But as we'd never made them, I thought it would be quite a fun project to do.
And then you just chuck those on there like that?
Yeah, essentially.
Okay.
And I thought the girls would really like it. And, well, I thought girls and one for our grandson.
Does that peel off, does it? Is there a film on there?
I don't think so.
Or is that just...
No, I think it's just... I don't know. Oh.
No.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, that's all right. I just thought, because if you're going to do a clear thing and it looks like... I tell you what that looks like. That looks like your glasses.
It does not. It does not. That is just not true. My glasses are immaculately clean at all times.
Uh-huh. No, they're not. You walk around as if there's a fog in the house.
And then you say, clean your glasses. And I clean them and I go, oh, yeah, they were a little bit.
You turn your head one way and I can actually see through your glasses. or can't see through your glasses.
Okay, I think that's an overshare for our audience.
Sharing is caring.
Anyway, that's what those are. So that is our
There's loads in there as well.
I know, we can make absolutely loads
and
of
those
them.
Are tiny. So...
Well, one sheet would do all three of those.
I think you'd probably get away with probably doing if you place that right, you could probably get 6 out of one sheet.
Yeah, maybe.
So they would be what? Key rings?
Yeah, you'd make it as like a little shaker key ring, or
that'd be really cool.
Or actually, even like you could have a shaker and then put that onto something else. Put that onto another product. So
yeah. Do you reckon that'd go on the end of a pen?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Well, I tell you what, we'll give it a go. So this is our little haul.
Yeah.
So we've got, and just remember that these two actually come with 2 moulds in the pack. So, and these as well. So there we go. That's our little BBcraft haul. And remember that links will be in the description to everything that we've opened here today. And there will also be a special little discount code, which the BBcraft have really kindly given us, which gives everybody 10% off of their full order. So be sure to check it out.
Yeah.
And in our next video, we are going to make something from here.
Which one?
I don't know. Well, it's going to be a surprise. So you'll just have to check back and see. Next one. Yeah. So anyone that's still with us, thank you so much for sticking with us until the end and putting up with our innate whittle.
It's not innate.
What is it then?
It's entertaining.
Entertaining, informative, blah blah.
Yes. Yes, it is.
That's exactly what it is. Do feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and all that other
and
stuff.
A comment.
And most importantly, this is the most important part, let us know if you get Jaffa cakes in your pastry. And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.